Oh, I can fall asleep. If you need something that's not so costly, stay tuned because I'm going to go through a plethora of things you can get your gardener for this season of Christmas or a birthday or just because you love them. Come on. Gloves. Gloves are essential. They're not that expensive. I happen to like these that are hardcore simply because you've seen me dig up so much in the garden. I have that pair, this pair, my trusty old ones. They're pretty inexpensive if you get them new. Here are some leather ones. Hats. You can't go wrong with a hat. And let me show you mine. Oh, I do love it. Another very simple one. My trusty dandy Peruvian hat. A very inexpensive Dollar Tree hat. Let me explain to you why I like these hats best. They're made out of cloth. They have a string going down here. You can just put the string up, pull it, and they're off your ears. Isn't that great? I love this. And for windy days, or if you're going somewhere, you can just do this. Or you're on a boat or something, they'll stay on. But the best thing about this is they're made out of cloth. I have no idea how many times I've washed this particular one. It's my oldest because it has this trusty dandy right here. You can make it bigger or you can make it tighter, and I love it. Real tight. So a cloth hat is your best bet. These are the mosquito nets that we get. They come in a pack of 2. I get them at Amazon. Oh no. This one comes in a pack of 4 and I get them at Amazon. They come like this. After we wear them for a couple of times and we wash them, you just put them in the wash, throw them in the wash, and they're perfect as new. There are big flies here. There's mosquitoes, but mainly the reason why we use them, or at least why Tito uses them, is because the bees attack him straight in the face. For some unknown reason, they just kamikaze straight to the face. He's got so many welts all over his face. I constantly have to remind him, wear your net. He doesn't like it. Nobody likes a net in the face. But let me tell you, it has saved me from a lot of bites. Those pesky flies, just, I don't know why they just come to the face. So anyway, lots of bees, but mainly for me, the mosquitoes love me. So I have to wear these nets. Everybody sees them. Everybody asks us. This could be a very good gift. Or a stocking stuffer. Perfect gift. And now, let's talk about this. I wear this neckerchief, handkerchief, whatever you want to call it, all the time. If it's hot, it absorbs the sweat. If it's cold, it keeps you nice and warm around the neck. But my number one reason for is around my neck is where the mosquitoes tend to try to get in through the net, and that's where they bite. Number one. So, get yourself a few of these. They're not that costly. Sometimes you can get them for 99 cents. Most likely, probably $1.50. Get yourself a few, and it's a good stocking stuffer too. In the summertime, I perspire a lot, mainly from my head, so I always use these. You see me wearing them all the time. They save me going inside trying to dry myself. They just save me. You can get these in a bunch of 3, 4, or 5 at Walmart or anywhere, and just wear it like that. It absorbs the sweat from around here. In the cold, as it starts to get cold, you want to still come out here and do some work. You don't want to wear your big old gloves because you need to have dexterity in your fingertips. Believe it or not, I love these. You can get these like this at Walmart with the fingers cut out like that. Or you could get these at the Dollar Tree or the dollar store. for $1 and you cut the fingertips yourself. Let me tell you, I've got plenty of these as well. And I just can't be without these because they, believe it or not, warm the back of your hand, leaving your fingers. I like the ones that I gotta cut the thumb out, but leaving your fingers intact so you can do things, yet it's nice and warm, and it keeps your whole body warm just by having this part of your hand warm. Now here are some smaller items that you can get. They're very important as well. To save your seeds, this is a very important, very, very important item. These are little envelopes, little plastic envelopes, but let me tell you something. See where it says here, 1.5 times 1.5? If you get one, get the smallest one to be 2.2, 2 times 2, because these happen to be nice, but they're a little bit small for me. You know, you can't put that many seeds in them, and you can only put the smaller seeds. What I've done is gone from that one to this, which is so much better. I ordered a whole pack. I'm down to nothing. I have to order again. But these are a little bit bigger. They're, I don't know what they are, 1.5 by 3, I think. But either way, these are very nice. I prefer these to the plastic ones, although you get more plastic ones when you order them. Also, very important, people don't think about this. These little brushes are so good after you come and you do your weeding or even planting. Yeah, every single day I do this. That's why this one's a mess. You can get these at the Dollar Tree, at the dollar store. 3, I think, come in a pack. So important. You can put them as a stocking stuffer. You can also order these online for your seed starters. See, you can order as little or as much as you want. They're very important to have. Another item that is not that expensive, you can order a heating pad to start your seeds germinating. I think this heat pad, I think this one was 2 for $21 or so. You can get one, and then you can get them for as little as $12, $13. Just shop around on Amazon. But I can't live without these when I first start my seeds. And as for the bigger tools that is necessary here in my house is the hoe, the bigger rakes to make it a lot easier, and the small rakes, which is important to put around the flowers and the plants once we rake the leaves. As far as shovels go, this is our favorite right here. It's the one that has the little point and very lightweight. The fork is extremely important for the planting that we do. We happen to like these cutters right there because it has that little notch right there. You could cut bigger branches with it. Really like this one right here. Make sure you get the one that has some gears on it. Now the seeds are so important for us. We got this little baby right here at a garage sales. You really don't need to get a new one. For us, for pulling weeds. I really like this one right here to plant my seedlings. You just put it on the ground, turn it around, and out comes the bunch of dirt. And for your smaller vegetables, I can't do without these little shovels. These little clippers are really good. Or to cut the wire, you know, like the chicken wire. You could also give them for the stocking stuffer. This, very inexpensive tool, but very, very important. You cut your cardboard with it, so easy. Also, very important. Get you a couple of these. You can get them online if you want to, cheaper, or you can get them at your big home stores. And a wheelbarrow. Take a look at this wheelbarrow. Get it online. Get it used. You don't need a new one, but if you do like a new one, here's a picture of one. A pot is always nice to get, a pretty pot. You can buy one and put all your other tools that you might be giving your gardener in the pot. Also, I don't know if you thought about this, but books are always nice to get. Mugs are always nice. So here's some ideas that I thought you might like for Christmas. They don't have to be very expensive, but if you want a very delicious, most wonderful gift, this one's it right here. Hope you like it. Bye-bye. And as always, hit the bell, like, share, and subscribe.